ngayon dahil successful at tapos na yung kontrata namin dito sa Dance Reef. Nag-barbecue party muna kami bago kami magbabakasyon sa Amerika. Naka-sail away kami ngayon papuntang Trinidad kaya mag-i-enjoy talaga kami dito. Ito na ang huling trabaho namin ngayong kontrata kaya walwalan na talaga to. Inom-inom na yun taoy. Marami kaming ginawang mga pagkain para mag-i-enjoy at busog talaga lahat. At syempre, bida yung aktor natin na si Mayor Matamlay at saka si Mike Redford White. Kaya wag na natin patagalin pa, simulan na natin ang ating barbecue party. Kaon na dung!
We always dreamed about this better life, this better life. We always felt it coming all along, yeah, all along. We've got the keys to open paradise, yeah, paradise. Now let's go walking hand in hand. Come on, baby, we can hit the lights, make the wrongs turn right. We can smash the clock, make the pop go rock. With the love this deep, we don't need no sleep, and it feels like we could do this all night. We could do this all night. Yeah, everything is alright. We've got the keys to open paradise, yeah, paradise. It feels like we could do this all night. We could do this all night. We could do this all night. Dreaming about this memory feels like we could do this for centuries. When remember me, follow the melody. Got me falling very deep. With you I feel clarity.
Got me speeding through the city like you shot your shot and it sounded like looking at the stars with a nice view. Where the gummies at, trying to catch a vibe with you. Ayy, coming through the spot with my icy grills, red lips, Birkin bag in the newest Manelos. All my baddies get the bag, I ain't fucking with dodos. Say this bitch online, but I look better than my photos. Put your lighters up, throwing dirt on my name, make 'em bite the dust.